This is the third time I've tried to shoot this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel for another wonderful Wig Wednesday. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers. I absolutely cannot believe it, and I love each and every one of you. All right, guys, this week I have for you the infamous, the grand, the ferocious Outre quick weave Annie. The sun will come out tomorrow. Is that Annie? Or is it tomorrow? Tomorrow? Is it the same song? Okay, anyway, this is getting crazy. Back to it. I'm talking about the Outre quick weave self-styled in 60 seconds Annie wig. I got her in the color number 2, and you might notice on the stock card that she is way more fuller than probably what you're seeing here. That is because, yes, I did cut this wig and I shaped it to my face because my little peanut head did not work out well with all that fierceness. I mean, it was beautiful. You can see right here. Oh, I loved it so much, but y'all, it was just way too much hair for me. So I went for it. I was really nervous. I was like, you know, I'm either going to cut this hair and have to buy another one or return it. And I didn't want to return it because it was so soft and so pretty. So I just took the leap and I went ahead and cut this hair and shaped it to my face, and I also flat ironed it. This wig is safe up to 400 degrees and it flat ironed beautifully. Like, I literally, this wig flat ironed better than some human hair wigs that I've seen. I don't even know. Like, nowadays, I can't tell the difference between human hair and synthetic because, like, Outre, they're not even sponsoring me. They haven't featured me on Instagram or anything. I just really love the quality of their wigs. It's amazing. The available colors in this wig are 1, 1B, 2, 4, S1B30, S1B33, S1BU, and S430. On the back of the stock card, you will see the self-care instructions as always, and on the front, as always, is the actual wig. So, like I said, there's not really much for me to say because I love this wig. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. No tangling, no shedding, and you know what? I don't even want to talk anymore. I just want to show you. So if you're interested in seeing how I cut and styled this wig, keep on watching. Bye.